Hi everybody and welcome! We're making a delicious 4-egg omelette today using green onion sausages and sliced portobello mushrooms with cheddar cheese. And we're starting with 4 eggs that I've cracked in a bowl. You will need some salt and pepper for seasoning. I have a few slices of sharp cheddar, a few slices of tomato, and some portobello mushrooms. Now you may wonder, where is the green onion sausage? Right here on the pan. So I used raw sausages, so I wanted to just get a head start by cooking them ahead of time. Now that they're cooked, we're going to take them off onto the plate and use the same pan to brown our mushrooms just a little bit. So the pan is on low heat. Mushrooms, we can add some butter later. So these sausages, now I won't be using all 3. You probably might need just one. I'm gonna have to slice them. As thin as possible. And after you have your your sausages all sliced, we're going to take a look at our eggs, season it with just a little salt, some pepper, and just beat it up lightly. So these are chicken sausages that have been seasoned with green onions, very mild. No heat at all in them. So as the eggs are all ready, I'm going to add a little bit of butter to help those mushrooms get nice and brown. We're going to give it a couple minutes, and once our mushrooms are slightly browned on both sides, we can start making our omelette. So I have a pan that's heating with some butter, and right here my mushrooms are ready. So on the bigger pan, I have some butter on. Just give your eggs a final whisk. Pour all of them there gently. I have lowered the heat to low or medium low, because if it's any higher, your eggs are going to brown, get crisp, and dry out. So now we add the cheese. You could use shredded cheese, definitely, but I sometimes like to play around with slices. Let's try a little pattern here. And tomatoes. Finally, our beautiful portobello, nice meaty mushrooms. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend you try portobello mushrooms. If you like mushrooms, you'll certainly like the portobello kind. Cashew pepper. And we're gonna cook this covered for 3 minutes or so until your eggs are firm, or just the way you like it, and cheese is melted. Our egg is cooked, and we can now plate. Just make sure that you loosen the omelette first before you slide it on, like a pizza. So here you have it, green onion sausage and sliced portobello mushroom cheddar omelette. Enjoy.